Welcome everybody. Today we're going to show you how to open a letter. If you're lucky enough to receive a letter, it's crucial that you know how to open it. Crucially, before you do any envelope opening, you need to warm up your hands. Right, now I'm ready. If you're not fortunate enough to own or have access to a hairdryer, you can of course use your breath. First of all, you need a letter. The second thing you need is you need the letter to be addressed to you. Now, it's important that the letter is up the right way when you try and open it. If you try and open it from the bottom, which is this area here, you'll find that there's no easy access to the contents. So you turn it to the top edge and you'll see a seam, which you peel back. There are many ways of peeling back the envelope. You can use a knife, use your finger. You can use a special tearing mechanism like I have. And inside you'll find the item that you've been waiting for, which in this case is my test results from the clinic. Anyway, enough about that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this very informative video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.